Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create apps with Google Sheet. Yeah, let me show you how you can do this easily. Okay, now open the Google and just search your Google App Sheet. Okay, and you can see the Google App Sheet. This one is build apps with no code. Just open this. Now click on the get started. Okay, and sign in with Google like this. Now I'm going to create one simple app. So you can see, click on the create option and you can see the app and database. So I'm going to create the app. So start with existing data or start with template, or you can try the blank app also. So I'm going to try the template. So click on the start with template. So there are a lot of apps that are already created. You just need to copy it. So you can see the Kanban board, project tracker, simple inventory, onboarding training, shift management. There are a lot. You can see some options like order deliveries, marketing projects. There are a lot. But you can see the task manager, simple. So let me just try this task manager. So let me just click on copy, task manager by TCT, and just click on copy app and just wait some seconds. Okay. You can see in the right side, you'll find your app is building here. You have the mobile view, you can have a tablet view, you can have a desktop view. Wow, fantastic. Amazing. Pending task and done. You can see, wow, nice. Let's wait some seconds. You can see the only 4% is copy, 8%. So it will take some time. And it's done. Signing. Wow, amazing. So you can see we have this amazing app. Like we have tasks. So if you want to just do some, like, let me just off that editing. Okay. You can see this is our app. If you want to create any task, so click on the new task. You can see the task. Hello, I need to make a video. Okay. And just simply click on save. You can see I have another task in the bottom. Hello, I need to make a video, right? So once I click on this, once I click on that chat, so it's done. You can see this is, I need to make a video like this. Now, how can I use it? Like where I can use it, where I can deploy it? Okay, so for that, it's very simple. You can see in the right side, you can see the browser. Now you can see app is done. Okay. Now you can see in the bottom, you will see the new task. Click on it and you can create a task like new app I need to make like this and click on save. You can see, just scroll down, you will see the new app I need to make. This is task. Once you click on that check, your app is go to task, goes to the inner done. Now, how can I use it? How can I deploy it? So you can see the option of here, the open app in browser. Click on it. Now you can see this is your app link. So once you share that link with anyone in the world, so this is your app. Okay, so you can use it. And this is really fantastic. You can see you have some reset dashboard option, search option, a lot more option you can do. In the about us screen, this one. Wow, fantastic. So this is the easiest way to create any web app using the Google App Sheet. You don't require anything. Every data will save in your Google account. Okay, so let me just see this, how does it work? You can see once I open that in the task manager by TCB app, so I need to log in with this. So every data will separated by the users login data. Okay. So this is fantastic. So if you have any doubt, you can comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.